Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. My name's Lawrence, and this week I'm here to show you the Origami cup. The simplest piece of origami and a useful form for transporting food, fluid, and whatever else you can think of. So to encourage more recycling in the world, I decided to use what we call old crisp packet. Alright, and so let's just turn this into a square. Ooh, all I need to do is just tuck it in a bit, that's all. There we go. There we go. All I've done is tucked in that extra bit of what you call popcorn paper. So from there, all we're going to do is 5 simple folds. So that's 1, 2, 3, and then 4, which is just tucking these into the little gap in between. Try and get them nice and deep. And 5. And we've made the origami cup. A very useful one for those last minute moments. All you have to do then is open that up, and there you go. You have a little cup. So the challenge this week is, what can you use a cup for? You've got a broken cup. You've got a, what you call 64 cups. And can you think of a game? Can you think of how you can use the origami cup? You've got a load of chips and nowhere to put them? Well, they are quite useful for that, aren't they? Or if you're just on a nice walk and you ran out of things to what you call hold fluid, and you've got 6 people and only 5 cups. You've got some paper, something very useful. You do what you think is best for recycling. So, thank you very much, and I hope you have a lovely day, lovely afternoon, or lovely evening sleep. Enjoy yourself. Farewell.